Today, we're really jumping into a big one. A question that's, well, it's causing quite a stir, maybe even some anxiety in the tech world. Is AI going to completely kill coding as a job?
It's a huge question.
The impact on junior programmers.
This was flagged as a major challenge.
They're the ones entering the field, often learning by doing exactly those foundational tasks that AI is getting good at automating.
It creates a potential bottleneck, doesn't it? How do you climb the ladder?
That's the worry. The sources pointed to a real risk of those entry-level jobs shrinking, maybe even layoffs in some areas, or just making it much tougher for new grads to get their foot in the door. If you're in that position, a junior dev, or someone hoping to break into tech, what's the advice?
The absolute #1 piece of advice echoed across basically all the material was embrace AI. Don't fight it. Meaning become an expert user of these tools. Learn GitHub Copilot, learn Gemini, whatever the current tools are. Get really good at writing prompts that get useful code.
But not just accepting the code blindly.
No, critically important. Learn to review the AI's output. Is it correct? Is it efficient? Is it secure? And maybe most importantly, get good at debugging AI-generated code. Understand where it tends to fail, what its limitations are.
Okay, so become a savvy AI user and critic. What else?
Second big point, double down on the fundamentals. Computer science basics.
Even though AI can write code.
Especially because AI can write code. AI doesn't truly understand why one data structure is better than another for a specific task, or the deep implications of algorithm choices. You need that foundation to effectively guide the AI, to spot its subtle errors.
So your job becomes less about writing every line and more about reading, understanding, critiquing, and maybe refactoring what the AI produces.
Exactly.
Got it. What was the third piece of advice?
Shifting focus upwards, towards higher order skills and, interestingly, business sense.
Meaning?
Concentrate on the stuff AI can't easily do. Complex problem solving, critical thinking, system design, how do large systems interact, how do they scale effectively. Become the person who can troubleshoot the really weird, difficult bugs.
The master troubleshooter. Makes sense. And fourth?
Explore adjacent and emerging roles. The sources suggested looking at areas where human expertise is still critical, often roles that manage or enable AI.
Like what?
Things like MLOps, managing machine learning models in production, data engineering, building the pipelines that feed AI the data it needs, AI ethics and governance roles are growing, and foundational tech roles like DevOps and cloud engineering remain crucial for the infrastructure. And the final piece of advice, which ties it all together, really.
Let me guess. Keep learning.
Continuously and aggressively. The pace of change here is just incredible. You have to dedicate real time to learning new tech, keeping up with AI, adding skills.
That's a lot of solid advice for navigating the job market shifts.